Bubble sort is one of the simplest sorting algorithms ever written, but watching it work makes everything click instantly. Here's an unsorted array of 30 elements. Each bar represents a value. Taller bar, bigger number. The algorithm starts at the beginning and compares two adjacent elements. If the left one is bigger, they swap. Then it moves one step right and does it again. Watch what happens. The largest element slowly bubbles up to the end. That's literally where the name comes from. Notice something interesting. After every single pass through the array, at least one element reaches its final position permanently. Those cayenne bars on the right will never move again. After each full pass, the next largest element finds its correct position. The algorithm keeps repeating until no swaps are needed, and the array is fully sorted. See how the sorted section grows from right to left with every pass. The algorithm is doing less and less work each time because it already knows the right side is done. Bubble sort has a time complexity of O(n) squared in the worst case, which makes it inefficient for large datasets. But for understanding how sorting works visually, nothing beats it. Every sorting algorithm you'll ever learn builds on this fundamental idea: compare, swap, repeat.